Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am sharing a super simple card project. I mean, like anybody could do this. And I am featuring the new Summer of Stamping collaboration set. This is called Hello Sunshine. It is an exclusive collaboration between Avery L and EllenHutson.com. It's available exclusively at EllenHutson.com for a limited time. And there are coordinating dies available, and I will be using those today. So I'm going to start by stamping this large palm leaf onto some smooth white cardstock. I'm using Concord and 9th Grapefruit ink, Catherine Pooler Lemongrass ink, and also Catherine Pooler Daydream ink. This is a beautiful color combination. I started using it at the beginning of the Summer of Stamping. And once I have those images stamped onto my smooth white cardstock, I'm going to die cut them using the coordinating die. Now, this is a completely different project that I was working on at the time. And I actually decided to use these palm leaves on a different project. So that was a brayered background that I created using this, and a card that I created using the same stamp set. But I kind of did a 180 and turned in a different direction. So I have these 3 stamped images now. I'm adding some foam adhesive to the back, and I'm going to just line them up on the side of this panel that I die cut using one of the Essentials by Ellen Essential Rectangle dies. And this is probably what I consider to be the number 11 die. So starting from the smallest to the largest is 1, the largest is, I believe, 15. So this is probably number 11. It's going to give me a nice wide border on my card. Now I've kind of temporarily placed those palm leaves where I think they'll end up. And then I have added my Mahalo Sentiment from the Hello Sunshine stamp set onto my Misty platform. I've picked it up with the door of my Misty, and I'm stamping this in Catherine Pooler Twilight ink. Now I'm using my grid mat here to kind of help me line everything up, try to get these as centered up as I can. But part of the thing that makes this layout so easy is that I'm actually tilting these at an angle, so they don't have to be perfectly straight. And that makes it super simple to adhere these with some foam adhesive on the edge of this panel here. Now in the coordinating die set, there's also this circle frame die, and I have die cut that from some foil cardstock that I created using the Essentials by Ellen press plate, as well as some champagne foil from Spellbinders. I've just die cut that, and I snipped off part of that circle frame so that I could tuck it behind the lower 2 palm leaves here. I'm just sliding that in there with a little bit of liquid adhesive. And that really, I mean, other than adding this to a top folding A2 size card base, I mean, that's the card. Anybody could really do this, I think. I've added this onto the card base using a little bit of foam adhesive to give it some dimension because I like big cards, you know. I like big cards and I cannot lie. And so that finishes off my card for today. I hope this inspires you for a simple layout that really packs a punch. It's all about the color here, right? I mean, that gorgeous color combination. Now, as always, I will have links to the featured products used in this project in the description at YouTube. So if you're looking for something in particular, be sure you check there. Or you can head on over to my blog at sprinkledwithglitter.com. I'll have that linked in the YouTube description below as well. Over there, you'll find more still shots, more information, and a complete list of supplies. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications here on YouTube so you don't miss any of my paper crafting and card making video tutorials. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.